Hey guys, welcome to my channel for Mila. Today I wanted to do a review for Duvolle, and they've sent me over a professional titanium curling wand. So I want to test it out, and what you guys see here is the results. So my hair looks great. The curler honestly works really well. I was playing around with it for the temperatures, and you also get like a little glove, so that's something I'm not used to, but stick around guys and I'll show you how it works and you can see what I did. And yeah, so first what I did is I just obviously took my hair down and brushed it all out. And then I just, had the straightener on the side, turned it on. I usually put it at about 350 degrees and then I go up from there depending on how my hair responds to like the new product. With straighteners, I usually stick around like 320 to 360, but yeah, let's see how this curler does. So I put on the glove, and this glove is awesome because it keeps you from getting burnt or from, worrying about touching the super hot curling iron. So that I thought was really handy. So yeah, so I grab a piece, twist it all the way around. I usually start with the hair from the back and then work my way forward so that as I'm curling, I'm able to just like let go and then pull that piece to the back so I know I already did that piece of hair. Anyway, so yeah, so that turned out pretty good, and I have my little curl, the first one, and now I'm moving on to the next piece. So yeah, you grab your hair, you pull it down tight, and then if you guys actually notice, I'm actually taking my curler and I'm kind of pointing it downwards. The reason why I'm doing this is because I like to put my hand right under the curler and then let the curl just fall into my hand. And that way, if you're holding your curler upwards, you're going to have to kind of like pull your hair off the curler. You're not going to get the same effect. So you'll see again here, even like I'm pointing it down, twisting around, giving it a few seconds. Usually I count to about 15 to 20 seconds in my head. That's just for my hair. Everybody's hair is different. And you see how I'm scooping it up with my hand and then I let it out. So that really helps keep the shape. So once I'm done curling all the pieces, I like to run my fingers through my hair, like kind of get it all messy and separated. I don't like super tight curls. I like it more separated so that I get that volume. I love when my hair is nice and big and feathery, and I don't know. I really like the look. So I'm going to continue with this last little bit of my hair, pointing downwards, twisting around, count to about 15 seconds, and let it go. I actually took my glove off for this part. Sometimes I felt like the glove, I couldn't really differentiate if I had the piece of hair between my fingers, like if I was holding it. So the glove would kind of like let my hair slip. I couldn't like keep it tight around the curler. So I was like, okay, I'm going to quickly finish up the rest and take the glove off. But if you guys are afraid of getting burnt, totally great to have the glove on hand, especially if you're in a rush. So just finishing up this last little piece here, and probably gonna do the same thing I did on the other side, right? With, pulling my hair through I'm pulling my fingers through my hair and just letting it all, bounce and get really refreshed. So for myself, I got up to about 360 degrees and I got these kinds of curls. I really love that this is a really thick curling iron, like it's not skinny, so that this allows my curls to be a little bit bigger, more wavy, kind of like beachy waves, which is like the look I was going after, and I love that. So this is, yeah, the results of the Duvolle hair curler, and yeah, I have the link down in my page, guys. If you like what you see, go on their website. I also have a code for 70% off, like hello. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have any questions, of course leave it down below. I love to see you guys' comments, and if you've used any Duvolle stuff before, tell me about it because I want to order some more. Anyway, I'll see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!